Imagine this. It's 2:30 in the morning. Your phone starts ringing. Your company's website has stopped responding. Employees can't access internal applications. Customers are reporting errors. And the worst part, you have absolutely no idea what caused it. Was it a failed server? A network outage? A bandwidth spike? Or maybe someone is attacking your infrastructure right now. Without proper monitoring, you're left guessing, and in it, every minute of downtime can cost money, productivity, and customer trust. That's why every successful organization relies on network monitoring tools to detect problems before they become disasters. In today's video, we'll explore 7 powerful network monitoring tools used by IT administrators, DevOps engineers, and enterprise organizations around the world. Some are incredibly simple to deploy. Let's start with Zabbix, one of the world's most popular open-source infrastructure monitoring platforms. One of the biggest advantages of Zabbix is its deployment flexibility. You can install it completely free on your own infrastructure using Zabbix on-premise, giving you full ownership, maximum control over your data, and making it ideal for organizations with strict security or compliance requirements. If you don't want to manage the infrastructure yourself, there's Zabbix Cloud, a fully managed SaaS solution where Zabbix handles the hosting, scaling, maintenance, and security, allowing your team to focus on operations instead of infrastructure management. And for organizations already running on AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, or other cloud providers, Zabbix also offers public cloud deployment, making it easy to integrate monitoring directly into your existing cloud environment. Another reason why enterprises choose Zabbix is its cost-effectiveness. Unlike many commercial monitoring solutions, there are no license fees and no per-device charges, allowing you to monitor environments of any size while keeping costs predictable. It's trusted by Fortune 500 companies around the world because of its reliability, scalability, and enterprise-grade security. Zabbix is designed for continuous availability, ensuring business-critical systems remain operational with minimal downtime. Its scalable architecture allows it to grow from a few servers to thousands of monitored devices, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Our next monitoring solution is Icinga. Icinga is a powerful open-source monitoring platform designed to monitor every aspect of your IT infrastructure, from servers and network devices to cloud environments, applications, and services. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. Rather than locking you into a fixed workflow, Icinga provides a highly customizable monitoring solution that can be tailored to your organization's specific requirements. The platform supports infrastructure monitoring, network monitoring, server monitoring, Kubernetes monitoring, Windows monitoring, cloud monitoring, notifications, automation, and analytics, giving administrators complete visibility across modern IT environments. Another major advantage is its extensive ecosystem of plugins and integrations, making it easy to extend functionality and connect with existing tools. Since Icinga is completely open source, it benefits from an active community, continuous improvements, and full transparency, allowing organizations to customize and enhance the platform without licensing restrictions. Icinga is also built with enterprise environments in mind. It offers scalability and multi-tenancy, making it suitable for organizations managing multiple customers or business units. Its comprehensive monitoring capabilities, simplified management interface, high availability architecture, enterprise-grade support options, and strong security features make it a reliable solution for business-critical infrastructure. Today, Icinga is trusted by leading global organizations including Adobe, Audi, Puppet, Deutsche Telekom, Vodafone, and Siemens, demonstrating its ability to operate successfully in large-scale enterprise environments. If you're looking for a monitoring platform that's flexible, scalable, open source, and enterprise-ready, Icinga is an excellent choice. But what if your infrastructure is built around containers, Kubernetes, and cloud-native applications? Let's move on to the next monitoring solution. Now let's talk about Prometheus. Prometheus is one of the most popular monitoring tools used in cloud and Kubernetes environments. Instead of monitoring only whether a server is up or down, Prometheus continuously collects performance metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk activity, network traffic, and application metrics. All this data is stored as time series data, allowing you to see how your systems perform over time. One of its most powerful features is PromQL, a flexible query language that helps administrators search, analyze, and create custom monitoring reports. When combined with Grafana, Prometheus provides beautiful dashboards and real-time visualizations, making it easy to monitor the health and performance of your infrastructure. Because of its speed, scalability, and seamless integration with Kubernetes, Prometheus has become the preferred choice for DevOps teams and organizations running cloud-native applications. If you're working with containers, microservices, or Kubernetes, Prometheus is definitely a tool you should learn. And if you'd like to learn Prometheus in detail, we've already published a dedicated Prometheus tutorial on our channel. Be sure to check out that video after this one for a complete step-by-step explanation. Now let's talk about Nagios, one of the oldest and most trusted monitoring platforms in the IT industry. For more than 25 years, Nagios has helped organizations monitor their IT infrastructure and prevent downtime before it affects business operations. The core version, Nagios Core, is a free and open-source monitoring engine that can monitor Windows and Linux servers, network devices, websites, applications, services, switches, routers, firewalls, and much more. One of Nagios' biggest strengths is its plugin architecture. It supports thousands of plugins and add-ons, allowing you to monitor almost any technology or service. Whether it's CPU usage, memory, network connectivity, SSH, or custom applications, chances are there's already a plugin available. Nagios also provides useful components like the NCPA agent for cross-platform monitoring, configuration tools to simplify management, and visualization add-ons for dashboards and performance graphs. Because of its stability, flexibility, and massive community support, Nagios continues to be trusted by thousands of organizations worldwide. If you're looking for a reliable monitoring solution with a huge plugin ecosystem and years of proven performance, Nagios is still an excellent choice today. But what if your main goal is collecting performance data and creating detailed graphs over long periods of time? Let's move on to the next monitoring tool. Next we have Cacti. Cacti is a free and open-source monitoring tool that is mainly used for performance graphs and data visualization. It collects data using SNMP and stores it over time, helping administrators monitor the health of their infrastructure. With Cacti, you can create graphs for CPU usage, memory usage, network bandwidth, disk usage, and many other performance metrics. It also supports devices, data sources, templates, plugins, and user management, making it easy to organize and monitor multiple systems. If your goal is to analyze performance trends and view detailed graphs, Cacti is a great choice. So which monitoring platform should you choose? If you need comprehensive enterprise monitoring, Zabbix is an outstanding option. If flexibility and plugin compatibility matter most, Icinga is a great fit. For cloud-native infrastructure and Kubernetes environments, Prometheus continues to lead the industry. If you prefer a mature platform with an enormous plugin ecosystem, Nagios remains a dependable choice. When historical graphing and performance visualization are your priority, Cacti shines. Network monitoring isn't just about detecting failures. It's about preventing downtime before your users ever notice a problem. The tools we've discussed today are trusted by organizations worldwide because they provide the visibility needed to keep modern infrastructure running reliably. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Xpert trio, and let us know in the comments which monitoring tool you've used or which one you're planning to try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cybersecurity video.